So please tell me, how do you feel after your last treatment with the stem cell treatment?
The first time 2 years ago, at first I was basically having to use the restroom a lot because the toxins were because I have my kidney issues. The toxins were my body was trying to flush out, or the stem cells are trying to go in there and go after inflammation in my system. But I had a lot of toxins in my body. And so hence I was using the restroom quite a bit. But after that, I started noticing, I mean, this is like weeks after, I'll go to like a pool party, and I like to do breath holding when I swim underneath and try to swim the length of the pool. And that's when I noticed like my exercise tolerance had increased. Like before, maybe I'd go halfway across the pool and I'd had to stand up, because I had to breathe. But I noticed something different. And mind you, I ate a pretty sizable sandwich. And they say you shouldn't eat, and then jump in the pool because the blood is busy trying to digest the food. And I totally skipped, forgot all about that. But I continued to swim, and I realized I wasn't getting spent or starving for oxygen.
And before that, you have some issues in your lungs, right?
Oh yeah, I had pneumonia back in 2007, going through a firefighting academy, and yeah, I've always had like issues with the volume, the amount of air that I could take in. Like you take a full breath of air. Mine kind of fell short from that, but this time I felt like I had good lung capacity. And just recently, I was over in Los Cabos. We're on a catamaran doing snorkeling, and my friend's wife, she had these prescription goggles that they got dumped overboard. This was after the snorkeling, so we're in fairly deep water, and the staff, they were like, my friend's wife was like, "Oh, my goggles are gone," which they probably dropped down there. And the staff looked down in that water, and they're like, they weren't gonna recover it. So I put on my fins and my mask, and on one breath, I went all the way down there. I did a quick search, and I recovered her goggles. This is all on one breath. I don't know how deep it was. All I know is the water was pretty murky, and when I got to the bottom, it was a sandy bottom, and I was able to recover it and go back up. I'm thinking maybe it was over 30 feet, but it was deep. I could feel the pressure in my ears going in there, and my lungs, it was just the squeeze. Yeah, but that amazed everyone, because they were like, he's down there for quite a while. So yeah, it's testament to the stem cells, the first one, that the first treatment that I did with them. It's just amazing. And I look forward to seeing what the MUSE cells do for my kidneys and everything else. So thank you, Josh. Thank you, staff. I salute you guys, and looking forward to doing more treatments further down the road.
Thank you.
You're welcome.